Elections are now held in almost every country around the world. And while elections are often run to a very high standard, there are also problems in both older and consolidating democracies. Although there have been new lines of research explaining why this might be, few have actually considered the organisations who manage elections themselves. Who are their staff? Are they independent of the government of the day? Do they have sufficient capacity to do the job? In this special issue of International Political Science Review, we address this gap by launching a new cross-national research agenda on electoral management. We define electoral management as the implementation of elections. This involves organising the electoral process, monitoring electoral conduct, and certifying electoral results. Electoral management bodies, or sometimes EMBs, are the organisations who have statutory responsibility for these tasks. And we suggest there are several ways in which EMBs can vary. The degree of centralisation, whether they are independent from government, their administrative capacity, the scope and division of tasks, their relations to external actors, their use of technology, and lastly, the characteristics of the workforce. All of these factors, we propose, can affect how well run elections are. And in the special issue, we present new data sets on electoral management drawn from original surveys of EMBs from around the world. Individual articles then focus in on electoral management independence, capacity, workforce characteristics and funding. They trace how these can shape electoral integrity. And in the conclusion, we draw out some of the challenges of the research agenda ahead.